Hello everybody, I want to show you how we can make this. First we create a solid, for example green color. Okay, next step, we create a circle here. Press Shift and Control. Yes, it's okay. And okay, then disable fill and enable stroke and change this color to blue. Yes, and we make another, or duplicate this. Press Control D to duplicate, and select this and cursor and make it smaller. Control Shift and here. Change color to black and decrease size to 35. Okay, and make it larger. It's okay. And for animate the circle, we add trim path here and make keyframe let's start from 0 to for 10 or 5 seconds to 100. And look at that, for 10 seconds. Okay, in next step we want to make a countdown. Yes, and select text, click here and type 1, for example, and move it to here, center of this circle. Okay, then we add a slider, a slider control to text, and then we parent our source text to the slider, and then like this. And then we want to make countdown number from, for example, 20 to 0. Okay, and for fix this we type here math dot round, and okay, And for making a spectrum, we add a music here and add mask, circle mask to solid layer here, and press Ctrl and Shift and create this. Let me move this to here. Okay, and change add to none. Okay, in effect and preset, type spectrum, audio spectrum, add to solid layer, and change path to mask. And select audio layers, select your music. Look at this. Okay, let me change mask to here. Okay, and change frequency band for increase your bars, and for increase height, increase this number like this. And we want one side of a spectrum. Change slide A and B to B for outside. Let me decrease height and increase frequency band. No, it's okay. This is thickness and soft. This. And change this color to white. Okay. We have countdown and audio spectrum. Look at that. Beautiful. And you can add another solid yes. Very beautiful. Thank you for watching.